With Explaindio, you'll be able to create videos with ease in multiple different styles. From doodle videos, to explainer videos, to 2D or 3D videos, or even training videos. At just $200 a minute you could profit $1,000 per every 5-minute video. One 5-minute video a week would make you $4,000 a month, or $48,000 a year. Imagine what you could do if you took just a few hours a week, created 20 minutes of a video at just $200 per minute per video. That's 20 minutes x $200 per minute. That's $4,000 a week. That's $4,000 a week. Times 52 weeks, that's $208,000 a year. All for a few hours of work a week. Okay, I know what you're thinking. How, Andrew? How? Find a client that needs video. You can head to freelancer sites, reach out to existing clients, or use one of your lead tools that you probably already own to find people who are interested in. Create the video. Explaindio lets you create multiple styles of videos. Having all these options make it super easy to find the perfect video for your client or lead. Collect your money. Once you've found your client and made the video, the last step is simple. Collect your profits, work less and earn more. As experienced entrepreneurs, we understand the need for outsourcing. Regular license allows you to install Explaindio on one computer and gives access to cloud account for one user. We know that agency clients may want to outsource the entire video creation process or have team involved in the process, and we want to give you the ultimate flexibility to work less and earn more. So as a part of this agency license, you will get access to our most requested multi-user license feature, which gives you 4 more Explaindio licenses and an ability to add up to 4 sub-users to your cloud account. Increase your profits many times over. It allows you to have your team or virtual workers involved in the video creation process. It means that with an agency license you can become a middleman, outsource the entire process, and sell videos you create with Explaindio for top dollars online and offline. This single multi-user license feature can increase your profits many times over because you can churn out more videos for clients in a shorter amount of time. Truly a tremendous deal. We are giving away an agency license for such a low price because we want to keep providing you with the superior service so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the profits that you generate. Due to astonishing value of what we are offering, this special time-sensitive early adopter price may be removed at any time without a notice. This might be your only chance to become an agency license holder. Once you leave this page, we can no longer guarantee this one-time early adopter special price. In fact, I would not be surprised that the price doubles or even triples if you see this page again later. Our official 14-day money-back guarantee. We also want to eliminate any stress or hesitation you may feel by taking the risk for you. You will get an entire 14 days to give this software a try. If you give our software and system a try and you decide it's not for you, we'll happily give you all your money back. There is 100% no risk. We also want to eliminate any stress or hesitation you may feel by taking the risk for you. You will get an entire 14 days to give this software a try. If you give our software and system a try and you decide it's not for you, we'll happily give you all your money back.